Okay, so what I had to do here, after I connected everything, I had to cut and pull the wiring out because this original box that was in there was too small, way too small. With all the wiring that was in there already, two wires coming in, one going to the lights, plus all the wires that I put from the switch and these little connectors, it was too much in there for this little box. So I had to get one of those other boxes. I had to cut all the wiring, pull the cables out, pull them all out, take the box out, put this new box in, and put the cables through, and it was fine right now. So everything went in nicely, and just enough room in order for this to sit without being forced in. And right now I'm gonna put the power back on, and there's a little thing here to test one, because I do have a single light pole just for these lights. And so when you press that, the lights will come on. You press and hold, they'll come on. That means you know your lights are you connected the wiring correct. The test 2 is for if you have a secondary load 2. So if you're controlling other lights or fan or whatever, that would be your other red wire that I left alone. Would be for test 2. You press that, make sure your fan or whatever is connected to that would come on. And in my case, it's just test 1. So previously, when I had the old box in, the light came on, so it was perfectly fine with the wiring. So what I did now, I just connected everything back the same way as before, just with the new box. Okay, the power breaker is on. As you can see, this little light is on. You'll press test 1 and my lights will come on. As you hold it and let go, they go off. You press, they come on. So you know you connected it right, the correct way. So now what do you do? Just a couple of these plates here. You put these plates on, and then all this clips on. In my case, I'm gonna connect, put it right in the middle. Doesn't matter where you put it, just make sure you put these plates on to block the pins. In my case, I am putting this right in the middle, like that. Instead of like this or like this, I'm gonna put it right there. So once you log into your Wi-Fi, okay, so once you update, it's gonna go through the steps. You just click done, next, and it'll come up to this. It'll show your location, your time, temperature, and software update. You gotta do all that, obviously, if it's a couple months old. So it's like a little computer. And once it's updated, we'll test everything, make sure it works. Just this switch alone just does this light. If you want the cooling, heating to be controlled from here or your app, obviously gotta buy the Nest control and just replace the existing one. If you're gonna install door lock, you gotta buy that door lock to be compatible with this Wing app, or the front doorbell, which is Ring, compatible with this. Light bulbs, the hub, all that stuff is extra. So if you gonna control the garage doors, you gotta buy all those extra stuff to be installed in order to send signal from here to your garage door, or here to the front door, or here to whatever you app. So this would be after update screen. Click, light is on, and it's off. Okay, so the app, I included a few pictures just before this. Uh, Also, as you just saw, it's the screen would go blank. It does have a speaker, so if there's a motion or a voice or something going on, the screen would come on. It will light up in order for you to see. But if there's no motion and there's no noise, it would go blank. So I do like it. I tried the app. You can turn the lights on and off from your app also. So it shows indoor temperature and outdoor temperature. And also on the app will show humidity inside the house. So far so good. We'll see in the near future when I start adding stuff how it does. Alright, good luck guys.